Hi there, this is Avraham with Reconvert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the product title block, how to customize it, and the key differences depending on your widget and page. To get started, navigate to the product title block inside the widget you're using. By default, Reconvert pulls the product title directly from your Shopify inventory, but you can change this if needed. Just a quick point before we go on. The product title block may look slightly different depending on which widget and which page you're in. Some customization options may not be available on certain pages, so always check the settings in your specific widget to see what's possible. So to change the product title, check the box labeled Display Alternative Product Title, like so. Enter your alternative title in the Alternative Product Title box. We can see that that's been reflected in the preview panel in the center of the page. We now have formatting options to customize the alternative title's appearance. For instance, we can change the font size to make the text larger or smaller. We have small, medium, large, or extra large. So let's select extra large for this demo. We can see that reflected in the preview panel. We can change the alignment from left, center, right, or justified. Let's go with center. We can embolden the text. And we can add a hyperlink by adding a clickable link to the product title. And then clicking Insert, just like so. You can also decide whether to include a link to the product page by checking or unchecking the box Link to Product. Now, just a quick note, if you're using the product title block on the post-purchase page, you can select an alternative product title in the same way that we just did on the thank you page, but you will not be able to use text formatting options like font size, alignment, or bold. This is a Shopify limitation. Once you're happy with your changes, go ahead and click Save at the top right corner to apply your updates. If you need more help or to learn about specific blocks within a widget, you can use the sidebar on the left-hand side of the page to navigate to the specific block, and then click Learn More in the top right for additional help desk articles and videos. Thanks for watching and happy reconverting.